All right, today what we're going to talk about are direct object pronouns in Spanish. Okay, so what are direct objects? The object that directly receives the action from the verb is called the direct object. It can be a thing, but it also may be a person. It answers the question what and whom about what the subject of the sentence is doing. Okay, so direct object pronouns can be used to replace direct objects. Okay, so this is our chart. We know this chart already. Okay, but we have singular pronouns and we have plural pronouns. Okay, if I wanted to say me, I would say me in Spanish. It's spelled exactly the same way in English. There's a different pronunciation though. If I wanted to say you, I would say te. That is the informal or the to form. Okay? For the you formal, if that you formal is a man, him or it, I'm going to use lo. For you formal, her or it, and if that you formal is a female, I will use la. For the plural forms, we have nos for us. Okay, that's the nosotros form. We have os for you, which is the vosotros form. And then we have los for you formal or them, and that would be a mixture of men and women for the they form. And then also las for you formal and them, and that would be all female for the ellas form. Okay? So notice that the lo and los are masculine, and the la and las are feminine. Okay, there is a placement difference with direct object pronouns in Spanish. So the direct object noun, so that's not the pronoun, is placed after the conjugated verb. The direct object pronoun, however, is placed directly before the conjugated verb. So, quiero la camisa azul. I want the blue shirt. Remember, to find the direct object, or the direct object noun, you ask what or whom about the sentence. So, what do I want? La camisa azul, the blue shirt. Okay? So the camisa azul is a singular feminine noun, and that is our direct object. So since it's a singular feminine noun, I'm going to replace it with la. La would be the direct object pronoun. Okay? In Spanish, you put the direct object pronoun before the conjugated verb. So it's la quiero. I want it. Okay. When an infinitive follows the conjugated verb, the direct object pronoun can be placed before the conjugated verb or be attached to the infinitive. Okay? So, quiero comprar zapatos negros. I want to buy black shoes. Remember, again, to find the direct object, you have to ask what or whom about the verb in the sentence. So, what do I want to buy? Los zapatos negros, black shoes. Okay? So, zapatos negros is a plural masculine noun. Los would be our direct object pronoun. Okay? So we can put the direct object pronoun in front of the conjugated verb quiero. So, I want to buy them. Los quiero comprar. But since we have the comprar in the sentence, that's an infinitive, you can attach the los to the end as well. Quiero comprarlos. I want to buy them. They both mean the same thing, it's just a different placement. Now, this only happens if there is an infinitive in the sentence. You cannot attach the direct object pronoun to a conjugated verb. So remember, an infinitive is an unconjugated verb that ends in AR, ER, or IR.